Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan and I will show you which fuses to check in case your ABS brakes are not working and your ABS light is on the instrument cluster. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2012 all the way up to 2017. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, all of the ABS fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood right here on the driver's side. So you want to unlock the cover first by pulling onto these two locking mechanisms. So pull towards yourself like this, and then you should be able to lift up the cover. And here you have access to all of the fuses and the release. Okay, now the first fuse to check will be fuse number F2, which is a 30 amp green fuse located right here, responsible for power to ABS valves. And second and main fuse will be fuse number F30, which is this large 40 amp fuse located in the top left corner. Now, if both of these fuses are good and you're still having problems with the brakes, then the next step is to scan the computer using OBD2 scanner to get the codes and follow up on the codes, but most likely you're dealing with a failed ABS or wheel speed sensor or corroded wiring towards one of the sensors, and that's not too expensive fix. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.